Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing a quick flip through of the Daphne's Diary magazine. As well, I'll show you some of the pages I have completed in my handmade junk journal, which I also made using a previous Daphne's Diary magazine. So if you are a subscriber to my channel, you will know that I love this magazine. I really do enjoy using magazines in my creative work, as well as in my junk journals and journals that I make. So this magazine is so fun to use because of the pages, as well as, and when I say the pages, is the paper quality, as well as the variety of things that, you know, they have in the magazine, like, for example, these images here. I am not sponsored in any way by the magazine. I just wanted to share that I just really do enjoy using it in my work. And I have other videos where I show you how I use, you know, the various magazines that I have purchased in the past, making the journals, as well as using junk journals, different sizes. I enjoy making traveler's notebooks and pocket size traveler's notebooks. Just, oh my gosh, just such a variety. So I'll show you how I've used my most recent ones so far and all the pages I've added to it. I love that this one has these washi tape stickers, and of course you can cut up the ones that are on that page as well to use as your own paper washi, I guess. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this page with all these beautiful colors. I sometimes just get inspired by an image, and definitely that was one of the pages. And I love the border on that page. So that's going to be very useful. And now these giant poster size pieces that they send, I like to cut them up as well and just use the images. Like, for example, you'll see this one here. You can just cut up the different pieces and, you know, use it in your work. I've been slow at journaling these past few months because, as you know, we haven't really had a lot of things to do because of COVID-19. So it hasn't been, you know, a journal that I've filled with so many, you know, outings and stuff, because we haven't really done any. But I'll show you what I did, which I had so much fun. Oh, I like this page and these cards as well. And I think hopefully it will give you some ideas in how to fill your own journal if you don't have, you know, a lot of things to journal about. And it's something that I've done before, but I've kind of tweaked it a little bit this time for a few reasons, and I'll go into that in a little bit. So these are, oh, I like this border as well. And, you know, this magazine, because it has just such a variety of things in it, like even recipes and stuff. If there is a favorite one, you can always just add that to your journal and, you know, keep it to look at later. I've decided to subscribe to a couple of magazines because I am not, you know, really going out a lot to purchase things. So I'd rather, you know, get subscriptions now and, you know, just get things in the mail versus going out and shopping for them, at least for now. I'm in Canada, in Ontario, if you didn't know, and we're sort of starting our second wave of COVID now. And so, you know, things are starting to slow down again, and we're not sure what's going to happen in the next few months, but for sure now we're being asked to, you know, to continue to be safe and wear our masks, of course, and try not to be in too many public places if we don't need to be there. So anyways, magazine is done, and I'm definitely going to use these pages for covers for other journals. So this is my little junk journal, and I made this one a while back. I just started using it now. The front pocket I just used to keep ephemera that I might be using in a future entry. I do enjoy, you know, sort of the variety of interactive pages. Some of them I don't have much. This one, you know, I've added a pocket and a tag and a little flip up. So it really depends on how I'm feeling. I don't often do things in chronological order, so it's not like I start on one page and then work my way through. But for this one, I found that I was doing that a little bit more, I guess because I had more time to sit with it, etc. So, you know, these little pieces here, I've written things inside and that kind of stuff. So this is what I started to do this time. I decided that I would pick one of my favorite songs, and I, you know, typed out the lyrics and then cut them up into different pieces to add to the pages. And I'm loving this because, again, one of my favorite songs, but also because it kind of fills the page a little bit and there's a little bit of, you know, text to read, but I can also get creative in other pages when I didn't have anything that I wanted to put down. But of course, this is one of those, you know, moments where I'll remember this journal, of course, because it was, it's been getting completed during this time. Oh, this one came in happy mail from a subscriber, so thank you so much. I decided to add that. I love that little tag. I do have a quick tutorial showing you how I made these tags, and of course I still have to write on the back of these, but this is basically what we did in one of the projects. I will link that below if you haven't seen it. And then some pages, as you can see, I just love the colors. I love the image, and I didn't want to cover it. So I like to leave those as well when I'm, you know, when I have some of my items there. This is kind of was my test page, I think, before I did the tutorial. And these pages, I just pre-decorated some of them because I had some stickers that I had in my stash and I wanted to remember to use them. So I went ahead and just added some stickers to some of the pages. I'll be filling the pages, of course, with, you know, more journaling, etc., etc. But at least I know that I've used the pieces that I had in my stash that I wanted to make sure I had in this journal. So I hope you enjoyed the share. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.